Opening scene: a sleek, futuristic car drives down an open road, its headlights cutting through the night. The voiceover begins. Narrator, introducing the all-new Maverick 2025A, where cutting-edge technology meets breathtaking performance. Cut to interior shots. A driver effortlessly navigates the car using a high-tech touchscreen and voice commands. Narrator, with an advanced high-assisted driving system, Maverick ensures a seamless and safe journey every time. Cut to exterior. The Maverick's aerodynamic design glistens under the city lights. Narrator, sculpted to perfection, its bold lines and dynamic stance make a statement wherever you go. Performance shots. The car accelerates on a highway, showcasing its powerful electric motor. Narrator, powered by an all-electric drivetrain, the Maverick 2025 delivers 400 horsepower with zero emissions, proving that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. Cut to a charging station. The car charges rapidly. Narrator, with ultra-fast charging, you get up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes. Say goodbye to range anxiety. Final shot: the Maverick 2025 parked in front of a futuristic home, its LED lights pulsing. Narrator, the future isn't coming, it's here. Experience the Maverick 2025. Drive the revolution. Screen fades to black. The Maverick logo and tagline appear. A Maverick 2025A, redefining the road.